Okay, this is the second trial run of the falls. Um, First one didn't go too good. I had a 2,050 gallon power pump. This time I went and upgraded to a 3,600, which added 1,200 gallons per hour, about 22 gallons a minute extra. And that's flowing pretty good. There's the pump going through the skimmer. Got the valve pulley shut off going back into the pond. Here's the falls. That would be the bottom falls. Got pretty good flow coming over there. Really wide area that put through my pump off. Come up here and check the diffuser out. Happy Nick's Frog homemade diffuser. See, it's rolling pretty good, distributing the water very well. I think overall it looks great. Time to add all the little finishing touches to it and finish it up. See, we already started on this falls right here by adding a smaller gravel, starting to fill in, make it more natural. Gonna get this thing wrapped up and take the final shot. Y'all have a good one.